Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you another confirmed airdrop, and the name of the project is Veera. So what do they offer? Their tagline is the global neobank built on chain. They also have an app which is currently available for Android. You can download it from the Play Store. So Veera is basically a next generation web browser that combines regular internet browsing with built-in Web3 and crypto features. Also, they let users earn, invest, borrow and spend across multiple assets. If you want more information about them, then you can visit their website. So if you check their pinned post, they clearly mention that if you join their rewards campaign, then you could be eligible for the future airdrop. As for the funding, they already raised 10 million. And if you check their investors, you will see top names such as Man Ventures, Sfermion and lots of other names. So their backend is definitely strong. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrop. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this page link. If you use my link, then you will receive extra 50 points. So click on Connect Wallet, then click on Connect with Ethereum. Then choose one of the following wallets. I'll use MetaMask here. So click on Connect, then confirm the request, and done. Now you are ready to go. So as you can see, the Veera Rewards Hub is live. Here you will find some basic tasks which you need to complete one by one. First, you need to connect your X account. Click on Connect X, then authorize the app. After connecting, you need to follow them. So click on Go to Account, then follow their account, then go back, click on Claim, and done. So our first task is complete and now all tasks are open. Next, you need to join their X community. So click on X community, join their community, then come back and claim. Wait a bit for it to complete. Next, join their Telegram by clicking here. Then you need to join their Discord. To join their Discord, click on Connect Discord, then authorize. After connecting, you need to join their server. For that, click on See More, then accept the invite, then click on Verified, then click on Continue, and again click on Continue. After that, solve the CAPTCHA and you will be verified. After verification, you can claim roles. For that, click on Claim Roles, then click here to get a role. Also click the second one and you will get another role. After that, go back to the airdrop page, click on Claim, and done. Next, to complete this task, you need to download their app. Go to the Play Store and search Veera, and this is the app you need to download. After downloading the app, open the app, click on Web3 wallet, then set up your wallet using your email. After registering, you will find your wallet. Just copy your wallet address, then paste the address in this box, and you can claim your points. Next task is invite friends. Click on Get My Referral Link and you will find your referral link. You can share this with your friends to boost your points. The next task is to post on X mentioning Veera with the given tag. Write a good post tagging Veera, then post it. After that, click on Submit Post. Here you need to provide the post link. So copy the post link, paste it here, and click on Claim. It should be completed. If you face any error, then try again later. Here is the daily check-in option. Come back every day to claim 5 points, so don't miss this. You can also earn a VIP badge, but remember, this badge is given to members of collaborating communities only. Here are some tasks which you can complete by claiming Discord roles which boost your earning speed. I have already claimed this role, so let's click on Claim Now, and done. Similarly, you can grab Discord roles and boost your point earning speed. You can claim lots of roles to boost earning speeds. For that, you need to active on their Discord. Here you will see your total earning points. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.